Hey, good people, guess what? It is Cycle 18 and we're gonna get cracking with yet another test of your fitness. As always, we highly recommend that you do something that you're really fired up on and something that you kind of don't want to do. If you can get a third or fourth day in, your body can handle that, awesome, do so. Maybe pick something where you can work on a couple of pieces that you know that you need and want improvement on. So Monday's test, very straightforward. It's all about the erg and what we're going to be doing power-wise on the erg. So on paper, it looks very simple. On paper, it looks like it's not that long of a workout. In effect, it really tests your combination of both power and endurance. How we're doing that, a Tabata test. How we're doing that also after some minutes rest is a 500-meter row. On Tuesday, typically our strength or power test day, raw power test, we're doing two movements, the bench press. Yes, everybody's, well, most everybody's favorite movement of all time is coming back. And we're doing a 3-rep max on the bench. Very helpful for a lot of different things, as some of you know, and our coaching staff will kind of guide along our journey this cycle. Secondly, we're doing a 1-rep max sumo deadlift. Now, a lot of people have never done the sumo deadlift, or it's something that we don't typically train, but something that's really, really useful for your overall body mechanics. So that should be fun to kind of explore. On Wednesday, we have our longer sort of endurance piece, and that is going to be a combination of a 1-mile run, 50 alternating dumbbell box step-ups, and then a 1-mile run, leggy and lungy. Thursday, very interesting. Most people have a little difficulty in the overhead squat position. We're going to address that directly because we're finding that how you breathe at the top and the bottom of your positions kind of means what your top and bottom position should look like. So we're going to test that in your overhead position. Right after that, we're going to go into like an overhead squat snatch complex for load. And this should be a pretty interesting test because it will basically show what strengths you've got and what weaknesses you've got in your movement. Also, it tends to be a hole in a lot of people's game, and we're going to be spending a lot of time on it this cycle trying to tune that up. Finally, Friday, a classic amongst all participating CrossFitters. It's called Chelsea, and it is a very rigorous body weight workout. We have a couple variations for people that need a scale or variation of the 5, 10, 15 minutes of pull-ups, push-ups, and squat on the minute for 30 minutes if you can make it that far. And that is the challenge. How far can you go doing something that will start to snipe you probably into the 15th to 20th minute for most. That's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.